Welcome back to Car Accessories. Today we're taking a look at a game changer for your center console, the Tesla Model 3 Highland USB hub. It is more convenient to shift gears blindly. Short press P to stop the car. Rotate left and right to adjust the R&D gear control. The high-definition screen displays the gears clearly. No need to take your eyes off the road. The shift docking station uses Bluetooth to automatically display your gear selection on the screen, offering a hassle-free and intuitive driving experience. The Tesla Model 3 Highland USB hub boasts 4 ports, including two 2.4A USB ports and a 3A Type-C port, delivering up to 20W and 18W of charging power respectively. This perfectly fitting USB hub snaps securely into your Tesla Model 3 Highland's center console, ensuring charging without hindering the storage box switch. This multicolored USB hub lets you personalize your Tesla's interior. Press and hold for 3 seconds to choose from 5 colors. Then confirm your selection with a single click. A completion message keeps you informed. Take control of your Tesla's charging with the convenient and stylish Tesla Model 3 Highland USB hub. Thanks for watching. Have a question about a gadget? Leave a comment below, and I'll make a future video. Stay cool.